everyone, welcome back to the video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix bottom part of the touch screen not working on iPhone. Having problem with the bottom part of your touch screen on your iPhone, a very small part of the iPhone users have reported this abnormal behavior of their iPhones. The reason behind this anomaly is to still be found, but there is no need for you to delve into finding the cause of the problem, and instead you can just take these steps to fix the problem on your own. So in this video I'll tell you how can you fix this problem, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is force restart the iPhone. The best software side of solution that you can try is to force restart the iPhone. For this you just need to press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with volume down button and press the power button. Next, a slider appears, so slide to power off, and after some time press the power button again until you see the Apple logo on your home screen, and you are done. And the next step is check the maximum battery capacity. You should take a look at the maximum battery capacity of your iPhone's battery. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll on and go to battery option. Next, choose battery health and charging. A very low number, anything below the 75%, signifies a significant reduction in the battery performance. You should opt for a battery replacement and the display issue may get fixed automatically. And you are done. Or maybe this is a hardware issue. Did your iPhone fell from your hand or received fall damage in other way recently? The fall damage could have caused this hardware problem that you are facing currently. If you are having this problem on the bottom part of the screen, you should consult an Apple authorized repair center. They may replace the display on your iPhone if there is a hardware issue, and you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix bottom part of the touch screen not working on iPhone, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.